Alright, so there's a rocket going up right now, and you can slightly see the sky lighting up. Yeah, Mom, I'm watching already. I know. Any minute now you'll be able to see it.
Chad, it went up.
I know, I'm watching right now. Calm down.
Phew, it stinks out here.
Yes, it does.
Randy!
You can see the sky lighting up. Oh. Like, maybe just a tip. Can you see it up there? Or is that the moon? I think that's it. Oh. But you can't really see it with your camera. At least I don't think.
I see it, Chad. Chad, down here. You can see it.
Okay, calm down. Chill out.
Chad, do you see it?
Yes, I see it, Mom. Look, it's getting really bright now.
Chad,
Okay, Mom, I can see it through the trees. Calm down, please. Don't get all worked up.
you can see it better than the space shuttle.
Oh, yeah, you can. Look at that. That is cool. Cool, cool. Pretty cool stuff on a Sunday night. There it goes.
Man, it looks cool.
Yeah, it does.
Man, that's way better than the space shuttle.
Well, you gotta remember, they pack a whole lot more because they don't have to worry about it blowing up with people on it. They just gotta get it up there. Cool stuff. Cool beans. There it goes.
Where is it going now?
Space station. It's just a bunch of experiments.
Chad, there's a car.
Alright, and now you can't really see it on the camera
I can
anymore.
see it.
I see a dot.
Yeah, you can see it on your eyes.